Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the solution for image not showing in HTML. So there may be multiple issue for image not showing. So first of all, here you can see I have a simple HTML folder here, and inside it I have a index.html and some images here. And I open this in the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see index.html, and here you can see in the image source I have given the image name over here. And if I now save it and refresh, it will not work because here you can see the image name is image2. So you need to make sure that the image name is correct. So here I write image, so we need to write over here image2. And then here you need to check the image extension. Here you can see I write the extension PNG. If I now save it, it will not work. And here you can see the image extension is .jpg, and this is the image. So in order to show this image, we need to say over here JPG. So we need to keep it exactly we have over here. And if you now save it, there you can see the image is showing over here. And also you need to make sure that you write the tag properly. And right now here you can see that I have a folder over here. In the folder I have a image. There you can see. Let me just show you over here. Here you can see in the folder I have a image. And I want to show that image over here. So let me just remove this and let me mention the image tag again. And in the source, here you can see our image name is image_on.png. So we are going to write it exactly. So we say here image_on.png. And if you now save it, there you can see the image is not showing because this image is inside a folder. So we need to mention the folder name over here as well. So here you can see the folder name is my_photos. So we are going to say over here, okay, let me just remove this. We are going to say here my_photos. Then we need to give a slash here, and you need to write it exactly you have over here. Then you need to mention the image name, which is image_on.png, which is the image extension. There you can see if you now save it, it will show the image over here. So those are the way to solve your issue image not showing in HTML. I hope this was useful to you. If you have any question or any problem, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.